Welcome back, everybody. So a few of you guys have been asking me, how do I make my gameplay videos into shorts? So I'm going to make this video, I'm going to try and keep it short and to the point. That way everybody knows what to do. So the most important thing you're going to need is, of course, your video, but you're going to also need the proper software. And as far as I know, the PlayStation nor the Xbox give you the options of setting up the video properly for a shorts video, because the shorts video needs to be the proper aspect ratio. Let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do, of course, is get your video on the timeline. So you're going to see it's obviously going to be in the widescreen resolution. So let's clip a part that we're going to use for our video. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do is select a good portion of your video that's going to be under 60 seconds. I recommend making your videos less than 59 seconds and 50 milliseconds, because YouTube will round up by a few seconds. So if you make a video that's too close to 60 seconds, it's going to count into 1 second, and then it's going to disqualify your video from being a YouTube Shorts. I'm just going to keep this very, very simple. So we're going to just simply type in over here 49 seconds. And then we're going to trim out that part. So what you're going to do, obviously, is you're going to go through your own video and you're going to choose the best 59 seconds that represents the video that you want to show off as your shorts. All right. So now the next step is, now that we have the part of our video selected, you can do your editing if you want to adjust the way the colors look on the screen. If you want it to be brighter, if you want to have more contrast, more saturation, and things like this, you can adjust it as you like. So all these settings generally are the same across all the video editing softwares. So you're going to go into your project settings. It might be called something different, but it's all structured pretty much the same. So project settings, and then we're going to go from widescreen 16:9 to 9:16. You can also use the 1:1. It's going to give you a square picture. That's good for Instagram. It's going to be recognized by YouTube as a YouTube short. So select the 9:16 portrait. And then as you see right here, it does all the heavy lifting for you and it converts it to the proper aspect ratio. But we're not done yet. We still have a little bit more work. So as you can see here, we still have the full picture and it's not ideal, obviously. So then next easy part, you go into your crop and zoom setting. It might just be crop in the app that you're using. And you can do the exact same thing as before. You're going to select, instead of original ratio, the 16:9, you're going to select 9:16. And then you press apply or OK. And there you go. The hardest part of the video is already done. So if you want to see what it looks like, now because this is a gameplay video and it's a first-person shooter, the great thing about first-person shooters is by default, the center of the screen is the focal point of all the action that's going on. So in some other videos, like if you're playing Dark Souls or Elden Ring, you might have to move the camera. Not a big deal. Again, you go back into your crop tool and you could move it around, click on apply, and you've got a different position of your camera. So it really is not difficult. Your last step, of course, is going to be to render it. So you export, top right corner, put it wherever you want to put it, select whatever bitrate you want to use. Now for shorts, I would recommend keeping it between 15,000 to 3,000, because they tend not to show the full 4K if you're trying to upload a 4K video. So select one of whatever option you want to have. Keep in mind, the higher the bit rate, the better your video is going to look, but the size will be drastically different as well. So if we take, for example, so using the minimum bit rate, the file size is 49 megabytes. And then if we go to, let's say, 30,000, significantly higher file size, right? So then you just click on export, and there you have your video. So I hope you guys picked up some great tips through this video. If there's any other types of videos you want me to make regarding how to edit videos and things like this, let me know. And if it's something I'm capable of doing, for sure, I'll make a video on it. So leave a like if you guys enjoyed the video. Support the channel by subscribing. That way we get more subscribers, more people watching the videos, I make more money, and the sooner I can go independent, or as independent as I can. Of course, I'm on YouTube because I want to make a name for myself doing something I enjoy and love. I love playing video games, I love watching movies, I love doing reviews, and I love editing videos. It's something that's in my blood. So help this dude out. I really appreciate you guys giving me a few minutes of your time. Giga Vega out.